bad is about to happen to me.
So we're heading home, guys. I just had a really crazy shift and it was actually so hard, bro. It was actually so hard, but you know, we gotta hustle, we gotta keep going until we actually had the dream become a reality. So yes, guys, we are heading to Etika right now because I have to get flowers for my wife. It's our anniversary today. We're making 2 years and 5 months together. Alhamdulillah, I cannot wish for something better. Alhamdulillah. And also afterwards, I'm gonna sit down and buy 25k account. And there is an offer right now from Quantekel Funded. When you get this account with a 50% off, so I'm gonna cost around, I don't know, 51 euros, I think. And when I do that, I'm gonna get the same account for free, another one. So I'm gonna get basically 225, which makes me at 50,000 euros capital, which is gonna be so crazy. And I'm actually so happy for it, bro. I just cannot imagine it, bro. It's gonna be so crazy. That's so much capital for me, and that's going to increase my trading network like a lot, because I have a 10,000 euros account right now, which sets me at 10,000 euros capital. Of course, it's still not mine. I'm still trying to pass the phase 1, but now after getting those 2 accounts, basically 2, I'm gonna be at 60,000 euros capital, which even at a bad month, I'm getting like 800 to 900 euros. So that's gonna be insane, and I'm talking netto, so in my bank account. That's gonna be so crazy, guys, really. Let's leave it like that for now, and I'm gonna see you home. Bye. So guys, we're currently home, and I am working on the thumbnail for this video, and I see this kind of style in YouTube for the motivational niche, and I actually really like it a lot. So I'm gonna try to let this thumbnail in this specific style of thumbnails just do its work. So have a look. What do you think? It's actually pretty good. I mean, I like it, you know? But we'll see about that. Maybe we're gonna change it, and I think it's time to buy the account. I'm so hyped, bro. I cannot wait. Let's go. And it's, let me focus. And it's actually done. So I have the 25k, we have another 25k, and we have 10k. So I'm so hyped, bro. I'm so hyped. That's the bot, of course. Let's go. Let's see what the week is gonna be for us. It's actually Friday, so we're not gonna see that. But next week we're gonna push. I just woke up, bro. Look at me. What is he even doing? Puma, ne be talking to me wood.
Our other princess, Sky.
What's up, guys? So we're heading to Action right now because we have to get some new things for our cat, which is gonna get birth in about a week. And also my wife has broken her headset because
I forgot about that.
because she's too angry when she plays Fortnite. So we have
I don't
to
play
get
Fortnite, that's for you.
Bro, shut up, bro. We have to get a new one. So currently the trade position, I mean, basically we have to wait it out and see what's going to happen. And I'm gonna update you if we have something better. Bro, I'm actually so shocked. I didn't knew they were already executing. As you see.
Oh my god!
This one right now. That's crazy, bro. And we actually already logged in about $253. And those 2 big losses is as we talked about earlier, this war and everything, bro. But that's so crazy. That's so crazy. I'm so thankful, bro. The bot is actually so crazy, bro. I'm shocked. So I'm heading back home. I have to edit all this, and also I have pizza delivery shift not tomorrow but the next day after. So I am 9 hours there also, and we are fasting. It's Ramadan, as you know. May Allah accept your prayers and answer all your du'as, and let us be ready for the opening of the next week, inshallah, and let's smash the market, bro. I'm gonna pass this challenge in about 2 weeks. I really hope so, inshallah. I'm so ready.